Listen up, it's Buster, cousin, Auntie Anika.
Children of the world, get those germs off your mum.
What do you do after you go to the bathroom?
What do I?
You wash out your hands so those germs don't stay on you. What do you do when you do a loud sneeze? You cover your mouth. Don't spread those germs, please.
Children!
Buzzer the cuss, he washes his hands so he doesn't spread his germs through the lane. Buzzer the cuss, he covers his nose whenever he sneezes, cause the cuz he knows.
What do you do after you go to the bathroom? You wash out your hands so those germs don't stay on you. What do you do when you do a loud sneeze? You cover your mouth. Don't spread those germs, please. Tell it one more time.
Buzzer the cuss, he washes his hands after playing in dirt, cause he understands. Buzzer the cuss, he covers his mouth when he does a big cough, cause the cuz he knows. Cause he knows. Cause the cuz he knows.